Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to hide all posts on Facebook in just one click. First, tap on the three-line menu bar in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Activity Log. Then tap your Facebook activity. Tap on Manage Posts. Next, tap on Filters. Tap Categories. Select your posts, photos, and videos. Now, select All to choose all your posts. Tap the three-dot menu. Tap Change Audience. Select Only Me, and then click Change. And that's it. You've successfully hidden all your posts at once. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.